Apple AirPods Pro 3 are here, packed with futuristic features. Exploring live translation, hearing aid mode, and heart rate sensing. Smartest earbuds ever. Active noise cancellation, unbelievably effective and eerily silent. Live translation with Spanish, instant and surprisingly accurate. Hearing aid mode adapts to noisy environments, providing clearer audio. Heart rate sensing and spatial audio transform these earbuds into a wellness tool. USB-C is here. Enjoy high-fidelity sound. Deep bass, crisp vocals, immersive soundstage. These earbuds slap. AirPods Pro 3, worth it. The smartest, sleekest, most immersive earbuds Apple created. Click the link and grab yours now. Don't miss out.
Experience audio like never before with Apple AirPods Pro 3, released in September 2025. These earbuds boast twice the active noise cancellation, silencing distractions. Enjoy high-fidelity sound with a wider soundstage and spatial audio. They feature a heart rate sensor and live translation for conversations. The AirPods Pro 3 also function as hearing aids and offer USB-C charging. AirPods Pro 3 redefine wireless audio, health integration, and connectivity.
Experience sound like never before with AirPods Pro 3, launched in September 2025. They're a leap forward in personal audio technology, designed for the modern tech enthusiast. Imagine breaking down language barriers instantly with live translation, making global communication effortless. The hearing aid mode offers enhanced clarity, adapting to your auditory needs. Stay connected with heart rate sensing, providing real-time insights from your ear. Dive into pure sound with active noise cancellation, silencing the world for immersive listening. Enjoy crystal clear, high-fidelity sound that captures every nuance, bringing your music to life. Charging is now convenient with a universal USB-C port, streamlining your tech. The AirPods Pro 3 are more than just an upgrade. They're a reimagining of personal audio. Elevate your everyday with cutting-edge features and superior sound quality that sets a new standard. Experience the future. Get your AirPods Pro 3 today and transform your audio world.